Today I'm showing you another side of Bangkok, or mainly you can say Khao San Road. So mix of that. I hope this is Khao San Road near King Palace. Usually very beautiful area. This is some clip from night time. This is the some temple in Khao San Road. If you can find, I don't know name, but it's quite interesting. I found by walk only, just roam here and there, just found on the way. You can find many temples in Bangkok city around. Lot of temples are there, very famous also. This one is like free. Some is like you have to pay tickets. All different kind of temples are here. Just just very cool and calm area. You can have and relax if you have lot of this. So randomly you can search any place like this. Mm, So right now I'm in BTS. It's like near somewhere Central World. Some mall is there nearby that is like very famous night market, or it's like whole day market is there. It's like mostly for. And this place have like many malls and some hotels also inside the streets, but many malls. You can go through one mall to another. You can like they are all connected with each other, so you can easily chill inside the mall in summer. If outside, especially in daytime, it's cool to spend time in mall or some cafe because outside is very hot and sunny. And this way, I'm going to Central World. It's one of the famous landmark, I guess. Mall is famous. There is a lot of mall, but this one is like more famous. So as you can see, a lot of people are here, going here and there. It's like nice, clean, very organized. You can't hear like many horn and some sounds here because they are very well. This is Central World Mall. Yes, you can see high-rise buildings everywhere. It's very posh area. You can walk as much you can walk, enjoy here and there. Evenings are very good. It's like very free kind of like place where you can enjoy as much. Just relax. If you are solo, then also it's good to walk around here. No need to think about you need anyone. This is the inside view of like Central World. Shops, malls, so you will get everything inside the shopping mall. Banks also are inside.